Healthy attitude, healthy lifestyle. Lietzi advised the following. When you're young, don't spend a lot of energy doing what everybody thinks is appropriate. When you've reached maturity, don't be too competitive. When you're past middle age, you should begin to find contentment. When you're old, you should minimize desires. Exercise the body gently to prevent it from stiffening, and entertain your mind leisurely to prevent it from deteriorating. In this way, you will enjoy a healthy and long life. Birth, growth, aging, and death are related to the rise and fall of vapor in our bodies, which in turn is related to the primordial breath of life that pervades nature. If we are in tune with the breath of the sky and the earth, we will be able to resonate with the breath of life. The best way to attain health and longevity is to be calm and centered in the midst of turmoil. Be free from desire and attachment, and maintain a harmonious relationship with the vapor and breath of the universe. People get ill and die before their time because they have distanced themselves from the Tao, not because the Tao has distanced itself from them. The primordial life energy never deserts us. It is we who choose to abandon the essence of life. Therefore, the adepts of the arts of health and longevity are careful not to stray from the Tao. Jiangzi said the following. The primordial energy of life has no limits. However, there is a limit to knowledge and conceptual thinking. If we use that which has limits to understand that which has no limits, we will end up tiring body and mind. When body and mind are taxed, life energy will weaken, and the span of life will diminish. People often think that they need to scheme and compete to get what they want. This is because the wayward mind has taken over their lives. The wayward mind is devoted to only one thing, fulfilling its desires. If we are free from the clutches of the wayward mind, we will return to the natural disposition of simplicity. The spirit knows contentment and understands the limits of conceptual thinking. In contrast, the wayward mind is arrogant and thinks that it is powerful and limitless. The wayward mind is so delusional that it believes that ants can move rocks. Consequently, it will not hesitate to expend energy and sacrifice the body to get what it wants. To be dominated by the wayward mind is the surest way to deplete energy and shorten the lifespan. Those who understand that life is precious will not engage in activity that harms life. Those who understand destiny will not force themselves to do what they cannot do. Let life run its natural course. Do not interfere with it, and we will each live out our natural lifespan. On the contrary, if we try to force body and mind to do what they are not endowed to do, we will forfeit what we have been given at birth, expending the energy that has been allotted to us for life in half that time. The natural way of the Tao is to give birth to and nourish all things. When growth reaches its maximum, it will give way to decline. When decline reaches its limit, growth will begin again and life will be renewed. Humans know only growth and decline, not renewal. They think that by producing offspring, they are assured of immortality by having descendants. Consequently, after they have born or sired children, they continue to waste their generative energy. They don't know that when their generative energy is depleted, they will die. Worse, they don't know that spirit energy is the source of generative energy.